let us previous class discussions to the non-profit organizations problems. Today also the discussions about for non-profit organizations are revenue expenditure and capital expenditure problems. So here the previous class also the very carefully observations by the identifications of whether capital receipt or revenue receipts or capital expenditure or revenue expenditures, also the considerations of the our following points. So here today also the discussions about for the problem number 5th, the 6 marks questions also the asked by the very important of the our question. So here the problem is discussions to the first one, they classify the following into revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. So here they only follow the identifications of either capital or revenue items. So see the problems of one by one. Number 1, so legal charges incurred in connection with the purchase of land. So here the legal charges they incurred of connection with the purchase of land. So legal charges, it is one of the capital items is there, is treated about by the capital expenditure. So here the answer is capital expenditure. Capital expenditure. So second one also, the brokerage paid. So you see brokerage paid for raising a loan for the purpose of business. So here the business purpose, the using of the brokerage expenses. The brokerage expenses is paid to the our business for the non-profit organization. The non-profit organization is paid by the some expenses by the incurred. That is also the treated for the here also the capital expenditure. So answer is capital expenditure. So answer is capital expenditure. Second one is over. The next third one point is the expenses incurred. So expenses incurred for whitewashing the old business buildings anta karita barutte. So expenses incurred for the whitewashing old building. So old building ge whitewash out, the painting by the old building. Some expenses also the clear by what are the case of the your revenue expenditure anta karitivi. So it is a point is treated about for revenue items. It is also the called by revenue expenditure. So you see revenue expenditure is called for expenses of incurred to the old building. That is also the treated about for the here revenue expenditure. So answer is the third point is revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure. So next take for fourth one. So fourth one also it is a very important of the our point, the amount spent on repair to a second hand motor car before it is used. The sentence is observation by the point of whether revenue or capital items. So amount spent, the amount spent is nothing but it is in case of the cost or expenditure amount, the repairs to the second hand motor, nothing but a second hand motor car purchased, but before will be the used of the our expenses. It is called for the expenses is the capital items. It is a capital item, the answer is treated for the capital expenditure. Capital expenditure. So next one, fifth one, point number fifth one is periodical repairs and replacement of plant. So you see periodical repairs, the periodical see it is called for it in case of the some expenses of incurred by the our non-profit organization. That points also the clear about by the that point is revenue items. So revenue items means nothing but it is a replacement of plant. The plant will be utilizations of the our organization that is used for the some expenses is called for the is called for the our place is revenue expenditure. So that point is revenue expenditure. So here last once again repeat the question. Periodical repairs and replacement of the plant. So periodical receipts is called for revenue items, but it's the replacement of the plant, that is also one of the expenditure, is treated for the our point is revenue expenditure also. So once again repeat the questions and answer. They classify the following into revenue and revenue expenditure, again capital expenditure. That point is only for the reading, after the conclude for the identifications of the answer only. So here first one also they discussed legal charges incurred on connection with the purchase of land. It is called for capital expenditure. Clear? Capital expenditure. Second one, brokerage paid. So there's some brokages also the expenses. That is also the raising a loan for the purpose of the business sector. It is also treated for the capital expenditure. It is also treated for capital expenditure. So third one, the expenses incurred for white washing the old business, old buildings anta kareytivi. So that is also treated for revenue items. That is revenue expenditure. That is for revenue expenditure. Then again fourth one point is classifications about for the amount spent on repairs to a second hand motor car before it is used. There before will be used for the some motor car, that is also the amount spent off in expenses of the capital expenditure. It is for capital expenditure. Again periodical repairs. So here periodical repairs and replacement of the plant. Replacement of the plant replacement is, that is also it is called for treated by the revenue item. That is for revenue item. It is called for revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure. So here very important clarifications of the everyone points must and should for the reading of your one by one sentence. But here very carefully observations of either revenues or capital. The revenue expenditure, otherwise capital expenditure, the observations of the overall sentences also, overall points also. After the getting for the total 6 marks, 6 marks questions will be compulsory. They asking by the questions of non-profit organization. Before also discussions to the 4 problems also, the total 4 problems also discussions to total repeat for the one by one. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್, ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ದ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಎದರ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಿದಾವೆ, ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಿದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಥೆರಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಸಿಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್. Stop ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಜಯ್. Okay, let us have discussions about for the format of receipts and payment account. So receipts and payment accounts also they asking by the 6 marks questions, and after the payment receipts and payment account they asking for income and expenditure, and other one for balance sheets also they asking. Here today is formats of discussions to the our receipts and payment account for the year ending. Receipts and payment account for the year ending for 31st March every year also they asking for the question. See here, very important of the format. Before will be discussions of the problem, the compulsory the learning to the our formats. So without format cannot be the solutions of the our answers, but the identifications of or make the listening for the overall points. What are the receipt items, what items will be receipt items, what items will be payment items will be very carefully observation. After they asking by the problems, very easily they carefully observation to the solutions of the problem. So you see, let us go to the discussions about to the format of receipts and payment account. So receipts and payment account for the year ending, for every year ending. So debit and other credit items. The next, the format of receipts, so rupees column, and payments column, again rupees column anta karita. There are 4 columns is there. First one receipt, rupees column, second, third one payment column, and rupees columns also. So take for first one by one. To balance brought down. So to balance brought down nothing but the balance will be the brought down amount. Here discussions to the cash in hand or cash at bank. So cash in hand, either the discussions to the opening year. Here opening year amount will be taken by the cash in hand. Either cash at bank amount also taken by the other problem. Make it for either 2 or 1 is coming. Either cash in hand or cash at bank amount also taken to the receipt item. Second one, subscription. So subscription means nothing but ಇದು ವಂತಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ there is all members will be opening by the trust or organization. The must and should for subscriptions to the our money to the yearly one time or quarterly or of yearly amount also they received. That amounts also discussions to the subscriptions values is take to the our receipt items also. So next one, donations. So donations also very important. ದೇಣಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Every one persons is grant or donations will be received for the some trust or organization. That amounts also treated to the donations is receipts items only. So next one, the sale of old newspaper. The sale of old newspaper, it is also one of the receipts and receipt item, because it is one of the capital, means nothing but after the sale of the old newspaper, the income of the our organization, that is also treated to the our old newspaper is receipts items only. So next again, interest received. In case of the bank amount deposited to the our lump sum amount or some amounts also deposited, that amount will be the given by the banks will be received of the some interest. That interest is treated by the receipt items anta kare. So that is for in case of the quarterly, half year or yearly interest also received. ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ಅದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲಾಕರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಲಾಕರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಕರ್, ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಕರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಲಾಕರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಶುಲ್ಕವನ್ನು ಭರಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲೆಗಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಲೆಗಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆನರಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. So next one, dividend received. So dividends also received by the our all members. Some dividends also received by the organizations or a trustee, that amount also transfer or treated by the receipts items anta karita bartivi. So next, life membership fee. So here also very important. Everyone open the non-profit organization, it is a without make the profit, but only for rendering to the our service oriented. That is also, it is a considerations of life membership fee. Everyone members also must and should for the paid by the some fee. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫೀ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟೆಡ್, ಅಜೀವ ಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವ ಹಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಗನೈಜೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫೀ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಫೀ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ treated to our receipt items. Next one, entrance fee. So entrance fee also, entrance fee or admission fee, the both are same. That is also treated for the receipt item, because entrance fee is received by the trust or organization, or in case of a everyone firm also, that is treated to our receipt item. Next, sale of asset. So in case of any sale of the assets, in case of old assets ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮಸ್ಟರಿ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್, ಏನೇನು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನೇನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಂಬರ್ ಒನ್, ಬೈ ವೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ದೇರ್ ಡೇ ವೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೇಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಮನಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವೇಜಸ್. After the monthly wise are decided to the after payment for salaries. So here the wages and salaries, ಕೂಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ವೇತನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್. So again next one, rent paid. So rent also in case of the payment means every monthly the paid by the organization rent, organization room rent will be paid. So the paid rent by the amount also the payments amount, that is also treated by the payment side. So next one, insurance means very important of the our insurance means Insurance Act of 1956, the compulsory of every one organization uncertainly or unexpectedly within the loss of the our firm, or in case of the fire of the our firm, or in case of the our insolvency of the our firm, the compulsory our insurance will be claimed of the our after the organization. It is a must and should for the insurance claim or premium to the insurance premium, right? So insurance also compulsory payment side. Next point is printing and stationery. The printing and stationery also the compulsory treated for the payment side ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ postage and carriage. Postage and carriage amounts also the payment side, that is amount is treated by the payment side. Repairs and renewals. Repairs and renewals, any items is repairs, some items is called for the payment side. Next honorarium. Honorarium nothing but it is one of the ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗೌರವ ಧನ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ವೇಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಆನೋರಿಯಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನೋರಿಯಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಕೀಪ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಕೀಪ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಸೊ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್, ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಅಥವಾ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ identifications only. So again in case of subscription to the newspaper, every day the compulsory magazines or newspaper to be taken by the our firm, so that amount also the expenditure, that is also treated by the payment side. So next one, so purchase of asset, some new assets also the purchased. In case of machinery, equipment, any assets also the purchased by the trust or organization, the merchant should for the payment side also received. So next one, investment. So any investments also the firm, so some amount invested to the our firm, that is that expenses also the payment side also the identification or recorded to the our payment side. So next last one is balanced carry down. So balance carried down nothing but the balance of imbalance to the our, in case of balance brought down to the our receipt side, again close the balance carried down. Balance carried down in the balance of in case cash in hand, otherwise for cash at bank. So cash in hand, cash at bank will close the balance of either debit side and credit side also. Debit side will close the balance and credit side also close the balance. Remaining balance is carried down. So that is the format of receipt side payment account.